Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we can find the value of this expression, which is 9 divided by 3 times 1 plus 2. So how can we find the value of this expression? So first of all, we should all know according to the PEMDAS, which say that firstly you can solve parentheses, then exponent, then division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. And we should all know about that division and multiplication have equal priority, and we have to from left to right. Okay, so student, so first of all we should solve parentheses. So 1 plus 2, which is equal to 3. Okay, and time 3 divided by 9. Okay, now I can solve division. So 9 divided by 3, which is equal to 3 time 3. So 3 times 3, which is equal to 9. This is our final answer of this expression. I hope you all are understand. If anywhere you can face an issue, then please comment and kindly subscribe my channel. Thanks a lot.